What's up guys, Enjoy here. Welcome to my channel Texo Academy. As usual, in this video today I'm going to be dropping another amazing value to you guys. So if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly smash that subscribe button just below this video and click the like button if you love the values I share in this channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can claim your Solflare NFT. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you that in a jiffy. This video is going to be short and straight to the point. Alright, so first thing you need to do is to register an account on Solflare. So I'm going to be going over to my browser. So I'm going to type in solflare.com. okay, so that's the first thing you need to do. So here we are. So the first thing you have to do once you're on the platform is to create a wallet. So you click on create a wallet. Okay, and as usual, like I told you guys, security is the key, guys. So you need to make sure you write down your key phrase. Okay, so you have to put down your account password right here, and it's going to, okay, I'm actually logged in on this platform. Let me just use another browser. Okay, but before I do that, let me just drop a quick one. Okay, register an account on coinmarketcap.com. This just came to my mind. I just claimed mine today. Okay, I've not even claimed today. Oh shit. Okay, that's awesome. That's good. So register an account on coinmarketcap.com. Just go to coinmarketcap.com. Before I actually share the real value that that made me to make this video. Okay, this just came in and I need to let you know about it also. So as you can see, log out here, that means I'm registered. So register an account, and once you register an account, by the top right here you see the three dots. Okay, so just click on it, then click on my diamonds. Okay, this is another awesome stuff that you need to be doing. Okay, click on my diamond. So as you can see, I've collected 50 diamonds thus far. Okay, most times I forget, I just forget. Okay, I've claimed today's own. I've claimed it already, so I still have about 2 hours to go before I claim another one, right? So that's exactly how this one works. So you will be claiming this stuff on daily basis. Okay, you can actually use this to buy NFTs. Okay, the reason why I'm showing you this is because the video I'm making currently is about NFT. Okay, so you can actually use this CoinMarketCap diamonds to buy NFTs. All right, so make sure you claim it on daily basis, because if you click on rewards, you'll be able to see the NFTs that you can actually buy with your diamonds. Okay, like this NFT now, blockchain diamond by Neo G, right? This one sells for 5,000 diamonds. So if you have up to 5,000 diamonds, you can buy this NFT. If you have up to 100, you can buy this NFT. This is the one I admire so much, but there's no supply yet. It's already sold out, but I don't have up to that 100 diamonds, so I couldn't buy it. But I'm waiting for them. This is the pink, this is the black, all sold out. Okay, so once I have up to 100, and this is another amazing one that I'm actually waiting on. This is a CoinMarketCap hoodie, right? I'm just stocking up my diamonds so I can be able to buy it, right? So that's it for CoinMarketCap. Make sure you claim it on daily basis, guys. Make sure you do it on daily basis. So let's go back to Solflare. Solflare.com. okay, just a moment, guys, just a moment, stay tuned, don't click anywhere. Okay, so here we are. So you click on create a wallet. This is super simple, just that my network is a little bit down. I'm still in Nigeria. Okay, very soon I'm going to be making my videos from Senegal. All right, so I will definitely be in touch with you guys wherever I go. Okay, so here we are, just a moment. Nigerian network. is the best. Okay, so here we are. You create a password. Okay, let me just use this password. I already have an account, so I don't need this too. So my password here is Texo Academy. You retype that, Texo Academy. I hope you don't forget that. Oh, it doesn't match. Okay, let's do that again. Texo Academy. Texo Academy. All right. Okay, awesome. Like I told you guys, security is the key. Now look at this. Okay, you need to write this down on your offline diary. Don't put it on your Gmail or store it on your notepad or wherever. Okay, because in the future, if your NFT has value, someone who has this passphrase can actually have access to your account. Okay, so make sure you write this down in your personal diary. Okay, so once you are done writing it down, click on copy to clipboard, then click on I wrote down my mnemonic. Okay, so come to the first one here and paste what you just copied. It will automatically fill in the gaps for you. So you click on verify. Right, I'm just teaching you the process to verify these stuffs. All right, okay, so here we are. Here we go. I already have an account now. All right, so what's the next thing you need to do? You need to copy this Sol address. This is your Solana address. Sol is trading on Binance. All right, Sol is trading on Binance, and you need to have minimum of 0.1 Sol. That's about $5, guys. Just send 0.11 to this wallet. That's about $5, right? You're not using it to claim this. You just need to have that Sol to be able to claim this NFT. Okay, so let me take you to my dashboard now. So here we go. Keep me unlocked. Awesome, guys. So once you send Sol to your account, to this wallet address, as you can see, Solana, I have $4.33, right, worth of Sol. Once you have that, click on these 3 dots by the top right. Once you click on it, then click on NFT. Okay, you're going to see the amazing NFT you've got right here. Okay, so you have to just receive it. It's actually loading up. It takes a little while to load, and it's an amazing NFT, guys. It's an amazing NFT in the video section, in the video category. Okay, you're going to be watching that in a jiffy. Let's see that. I'm going to play that for you guys. Just a moment. This is a nice NFT, honestly speaking, and I pray it's going to have so much value in the future. Just a moment. I just need you guys to see how this is. Okay, I'm still in Nigeria, and it has the best network. These are my crypto platforms. Awesome. Okay, so that's it, guys. So what you just need to do is to click on receive. Once you click on receive, it will automatically enter your Solflare account. Right now, this NFT, I can actually send it out. All right, so I can send it to any participant I wish to send it to. I can actually convince you right now that I have an NFT and it is worth $60,000. Okay, you're not going to pay for that. So I can actually say, okay, my NFT is worth $5,000. Can you buy? And we negotiate, and I send you the NFT, and that's it. I made a sell, right? But don't do that. Let's hold on for this NFT and see the future in it. right? So that's it, guys. If you love the value I share in this place, please kindly smash that like button, please. It actually encourages me to bring more values to you guys. Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be notified when next I drop another amazing video just like this one. Just a quick one, double value in one video. See you next time.